Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So something major is about to happen. So let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. Share with you guys exactly what's about to go down because the market is about to shock a lot of people. The unexpected is about to happen, and it's already been happening on a small scale, but it's going to happen on a major scale as well, guys. And it's going to, leave everyone like like they don't know what's going on. So let's go ahead and jump right into it, share my details, exactly what I mean by this. So as we know, guys, the market hasn't been making sense lately. As it all been running in sync, and whenever the market dropped, the whole entire market's been dropping. Whenever it go up, the whole entire market has been going up. And now recently, we starting to see a slight separation. I know you just hit my truck. Hey, calm down. Y'all go over there and play. So you just started seeing a slight separation, meaning the market starting to break up a bit. Certain sectors and certain areas of the market starting to fly, some staying stagnant, and some is actually declining. So what the market makers do this around this time is because it's going to confuse you even a bit more, giving you certain opportunities that you get in on, they might not do nothing, and then having you in some plays that you was in on them soaring. So it's leaving you now to be more confused, like which stock should I pick? Because I know I just can't pick any one. Boy, get off my mirror and stuff like that. What the hell wrong with you? So my bad. Y'all know them kids like. But anyways, it's leaving you messing up my thought process. But it's leaving you to having to. And what's up with you?
With my nose.
Here. You're welcome. Go over there and play. So it's leaving you have to actually know what best quality company you want to actually go with, because everything ain't just going. When everything is going, you could actually, put money anywhere and you're going to make money. But that's not the case in certain markets. Obviously, I mean, the majority of the stocks is going to be running though, so you still is going to be able to hit. But sometimes some could be stagnant or declining, and you just, you ain't gonna be able to take advantage. But me personally, I actually like it. The ones that understand the market, because I'm able to put money here, make money from there. Then my other stock that I've been waiting on, it haven't even moved yet. So now I'm able to get that for the cheap price with even more capital now, because I made money off another stock that was running. Now I'm able to go back and get my other stock for the same price because it's still stagnant, and now ride that up. And while I'm riding that up, my other stock I've been looking at, it's still sitting and waiting. Instead of everything running at the same time, you're not able to capitalize so much. You like, dang, I can't make money off Snap, Facebook, and Tesla and all in one day if you put in, if you're going majority all in on that stock, because days like today, days like yesterday, days like the day before, those type days, I will, put a large portion of my portfolio in something to go ahead and take advantage of the meat of the move. You barely ever want to do that. Like I always say, that's a golden rule. You never want to go all in. You never want to put even nowhere close to near majority of your portfolio into one asset or security, because you don't want one play to come through and wipe you out. So I understand this is a marathon, it's not a sprint. You want to take one trade at a time, and you want to know exactly what you're aiming for and what you willing to lose a small amount, and what your target goal is. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a further look at the overall market though, guys, because there's been some weird things happening and even more weirder things to come. As we know, the week before last, or last week, whenever CPI inflation data came in hot, way hotter than expected, the market responded in the opposite direction. A lot of people expected a tank, but it actually went up. And now this week, we got big tech companies, big earnings being reported from the big dogs like Microsoft, Google missed expectations poorly, guys. Microsoft missed very disappointing. And now we got Facebook, they disappointed in after hours. It slid in revenue for the second straight time. And also we have Apple and Amazon report earnings on tomorrow. So we got all these big dogs missing earnings poorly, right? And of course, they're going to be missing earnings. I mean, some of these companies, these social media companies, they dealing with advertising, and a lot of advertising companies or people that use promo for advertising, all that stuff or whatnot, they is down right now because they're not putting all their money in it right now, because they know the consumers isn't spending as much right now. So too much ain't being put out there with there. And then Walmart and all these other companies, they got an abundance of inventory, an overflow. They having to get rid of some of the staff. Like, we're in a recession. So of course these numbers aren't going to be pretty. And we know what happened with Google. TikTok coming in, taking over the game, messing up the revenue for YouTube. Even though YouTube is dominant, I believe it's going to be, one of the ones you look back 10, 20 years from now, the one that's still standing the test of time. So let's go ahead and take a further look, though, guys, at what exactly is going on. So we know NASDAQ snaps 3-day winning streak as big tech's way down.
Twist it.
Okay. There you go. Here.
Twist the
Here.
wheel. I'm gonna get stuck.
Chloe.
I'm gonna get stuck.
Child, if you don't, go ahead and go over there now. Go. We about to go in a second. You ready?
I'm not.
Well, then go play. You guys get what's going on. You get it, you got it, you understand, I'm pretty sure. Basically what's happening in a nutshell is the market is basically about to, you got these kids, man, it's every 5 seconds, this, that, and the third. I get aggravated sometimes. We all do. But anyways, what I'm saying in a nutshell, because I got to keep my videos going and rolling, got too much other stuff going on. I ain't got time for all that nonsense. So anyways, what we saying in a nutshell, guys, is get ready for the market to basically shock you. Even though these big dogs, these companies reporting bad earnings, that was to kind of be expected on my end. From the being fact you in a recession, what is you going to expect for the companies to report during times like this? Well, consumers isn't consuming or spending like they were before. So anyways, expect the unexpected. I'm expecting for the market to be bullish next week and possibly even end this week off pretty strong, guys, going into next month, because it's been overdue, well overdue. And what's the best time to send the market off flying? When people least expect it. At the big dogs like Apple, Google, YouTube, which is part of Google, Microsoft, the big dogs report bad earnings. What's the best time to send the stock market flying? You already know, guys, just like the week before, whenever they sent it off a little bit, whenever CPI inflation data came in way hotter than expected and left people, wondering, man, what's going on? So anyways, you already know what to do, man. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP if you want those quick alerts. We getting in and getting out. Made over 100% today on Carvana. Made over 100% yesterday on Snapchat. Made over 70% yesterday on Snapchat as well, because we milked it twice. We get out near lunchtime. That's a gym. Exit trades during these volatile times, especially if you day trading. You want to get in first hour of the day, first few minutes of the day. As soon as you see opportunity, get out. Wait near lunchtime for it to fall back, pull back, and you can even possibly get in that play again and rinse and repeat it. And so you already know what to do, man. I love y'all. Add your boy on Instagram at the BA Show. Watch out for spam and WhatsApp and all that stuff down in the comments below. I love you. We out, and God bless you. We gone.